Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Ford Mondeo 2017. I'm going to show you how to change fuel filter of this car. Many people miss this one and ask me, Charlie, how to do the fuel filter? Charlie, once I change the fuel filter, it's not starting. Charlie, once I remove the fuel filter, it starts and after 30 seconds it's cut off, it's not starting anymore. I'm going to take a chance this to explain you how to do the fuel filter without any problem. This is my way. I'm not sure is it the right way or wrong way, but however, past 9 years I don't have any problem with changing fuel filter. I'm thinking that's a correct way. If you know better than me, please comment in below. I'll happy to listen to you also well. Thank you. Let's go for a job. Need to lift up this cover. Leave it out of the way. Fuel filter underneath here. We need to remove this 8mm screw. Leave it safer place. Another one inside here. Right, this is the fuel filter. First thing, we need to remove this electric connector. This one push back. Ups, it's going underneath. I have to take that one. That's why when you do it very gently, carefully. Luckily it won't go in, then I can take out. Right. Ups, again dropped. Right, I'm going to leave it that one. Then after that, lift up here and remove this connector. Right, leave it out of way. After that, we need to lift up this white color bit. See, lift up. Then after that, you have to press this one. Lift up the white bit and press down the complete unit. See, it's out. I forget to tell you, it's going to be a little bit mucky using towel like this and leave it out of way like this. And the same thing you need to do the bottom one. Now that's one fine. Again, need to lift up that white bit. See, then after that you need to press in this one, the full total white tab, and remove. So fuel coming, I leave it outside. Right, that one also need to wrap with the another paper, blotting paper, and leave it as it is. Right, after that I'm going to take out this. This is 24mm. There is another funny thing ongoing. Did you notice this one? Citroen Peugeot. In here, did you notice this one? Citroen Peugeot. Ford car I'm working the Ford car. They're using Citroen part. Nothing to do. Slightly funny because people go with the brand Ford. Inside Peugeot. Right. This is 24 mil. You need to turn anti-clockwise very gently. Once you do it, make sure holding these two pipe out of way and do the turn. Another thing stuck inside this pipe. I'm going to reverse. Right. Right. It's loose. Need to lift up. Right. Need to lift up very slowly. Yaki. And something put underneath and take out of the way. And I'm going to compare new one and old one. Exactly the same. Then this one I leave it outside. After that I'm going to using like this rag and clean inside fuel filter. You can see lot of mucky thing inside. Can you see? See, lot of mucky thing, yellow color. Then I need to clean everything. Best to clean it. If you're not cleaning, doesn't matter because the filter doing the job. But once you remove it, better to clean it nicely. Otherwise you don't have a chance until coming to the next time. This is my way, and many people like this way. Right. Inside nice and clean now. No any problem. Then after that I'm going to install this filter. Right. Leave it like that. Next step, I need to remove this O-ring. Remove it. And apply little bit diesel because already diesel surround my fingers. Apply little bit diesel and install. Right, it's in. After that, this is the point many people going to mix up, and after that they said vehicle not starting, vehicle start and cut off. I'll show you 3 steps. First step, you can install this one like this and using like this prime and suck the fuel from the outline. Then you can suck the air like that, or if it not, I'm going to show you my way. This is the my way. I'm going to add diesel here. Right, you can see it's fill up with the diesel, no any air left it there. And also Basically this car, you don't want to add the diesel like that because this car has a electric pump at the tank. It can do with the ignition, but safer side, I'll do my way and I'll show you what I done before. This is the common problem for the vehicle not starting, that's why I do it this way. To be honest, this vehicle don't want to fill up the diesel like this because this vehicle has a electric pump in tank. Okay, I'm going to reinstall this cap now. Right, it's locked. Then after that, we need to install this pipe. Just press in. Right, it's in. After that, you need to press in this tab. It's nice and in. Then the second one, you need to press in this one. Same way. You can hear the click noise. See, it's in. And press in this one. Then after that, I need to go this connector. Before I go to the connector, you remember this one dropped before. I'm going to install here like this and install, and after that I'm going to lock. Right, it's fine, everything fine. Right, after that you can see diesel spilled around this area. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use my brake cleaner, clean this area. Right, if you have a air like this, it's bit okay. I'll cover this area. Nice and dry. Next step, I'm going to show you how am I going to start the car. I mentioned to you this car has an electric pump. Because of that, we don't want to fill up the diesel. I'm showing you how we're going to start. Don't going to press any pedal, just ignition on. Leave it like that. Once you ignition on, you can hear pump working. Again switch off. Again ignition on. I'm still not ready to start the car. Once you ignition on, your pump working and send the fuel to the filter. Then again I'm going to switch off. I'm going to do the 3 times this one. Leave it couple of seconds until the light disappeared. Now all disappeared. Switch off. Now I'm ready to start the car. Press the clutch, put the foot, little bit gas, don't going to put it too much gas, just tiny bit, and start the car. Once you start the car, little bit give the gas, you can see little bit high revving. Right, now I'm going to leave it running and check any leaking around that area. All nice and dry. I'm going to leave it 5 minutes running. Then after that I'm going to install this cover. No any fuel leaking detector. No any fuel leaking detector. I'm going to install this bracket. Right, this one very awkward place. If I drop, it's going inside. I'll give you small tip for this one. Take your socket out. Leave it like this piece of paper, and after that you can push. See, it won't fill afterward. Then after that you can do it tight. Right, see, very easy. It's in now. After that I'm going to tight. Right, all done, all going well, everything as expected, going smoothly, car start fine. This is the way we need to change the fuel filter. Please subscribe us and follow our channel. You can get more useful video day-to-day base. What we going to do, what we going to handle, how we going to do, how we going to handle. End of the day, you learning lot of from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. See you with another video.
Thanks for watching.